Pardon me for the interruption, but this is a pupil announcement. Quarantine had me a blast. Isolation happened so fast. School shut down, pubs, restaurants too. Stayed inside, what could we do? Lockdown days drifting away. Ooh, oh, the lockdown nights. Tell me more, Nicola, what is your view? Tell me more, like, do you have it too? Online shopping backed up till June. Shops still stocked, will they open soon? We're so bored, there's nothing to do. Netflix done, it's just pay to view. Lockdown days drifting away. Ooh, oh, the lockdown nights. Tell me more, is the virus at height? Tell me more, is a vaccine in sight? Disney Plus, we got it made. Got no jobs, how will we get paid? No exams, the school is in shock. So we have an assessment block. Postponed travels all of the world, and oh, those cancelled flights. Tell me more, with the test I will pack. Tell me more, 'cause it sounds like a drag. Sing happy birthday, washing your hands. Social gatherings, they were all banned. To stop the spread of COVID-19, we did a bit, we kept it all clean. Cold just eat, it's time for a cheat. But oh, those calorie heights. Tell me more, is the earth on the mend? Tell me more, 'cause I'm going round the bend. We kept asking, when will this end? Roots outgrown, and they used to blend. Football's done, no final ball. Wonder what Steve Clark's doing now. Summer dreams ripped at the seams, but those lockdown nights. Happy holidays!